Hello and welcome to reviewing cash balance fund information on the cash balance summary or CBALSQ table in AZ360. We will be demonstrating this process in one of our test environments and the screen has been zoomed in for optimal viewing. In our test scenario, an agency wants to see which transactions make up the current cash balance for a fund. Note that we are already logged into the AZ360 application and the general accounting business role has been selected in the top right. To get started, we will navigate to the global search menu and will ensure that page code has been selected. In the search here menu, we will type in CBALSQ and we will select cash balance summary from the drop-down menu. In the fund field that generates, we will type in AD2025 and will then click apply. The fund line will generate at the bottom of the screen. Note the cash fields that show for this fund. Clicking the expand caret will show additional information for the fund. We will specifically be keying in on the cash balance field. Note that it is a blue hyperlink. If you click the number, it will open the accounting journal or the JACTG, and that will list all of the transactions that make up that fund. Okay, you can increase the view per page from 20 to 50 or 100. You can see your total count here, and you can navigate pages using the arrows on the side. If you want to export this information to a spreadsheet, you can click the grid actions caret, export all, and then spreadsheet, and that will generate a Excel extract of this information. The image will appear in the bottom left. You can click it and then format the data that generates as needed. Keep in mind for this training demonstration, we intentionally picked a smaller fund. Larger funds will result in the page taking longer to render. If a user needs to review a large amount of data for a fund, we strongly recommend they use one of the Info Advantage reports listed in the General Accounting GA reporting section of the General Accounting Manual, which are better suited for this task. Okay, you can see here that the spreadsheet generated in the bottom. And if you need any further investigation on a particular transaction, you can click the blue hyperlink under the transaction column, and that will take you to the transaction in question. After reviewing that transaction, you can then close it out. It will return you to the accounting journal. So here's the transaction. We'll close it out. You'll come back to the accounting journal, and then if you click the back button, it will take you back to the CBALSQ. Okay? And we have completed the process of reviewing cash balance fund information on the cash balance summary table in AZ360. Go ahead and click the home icon to return to the home page.